Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Fiat 500e. As 2025 approaches, the 2024 Fiat 500e has emerged as the best small car of the year, celebrated for its stylish design, efficient electric performance, and compact practicality. This modern iteration of the iconic Fiat 500 brings a fresh, eco-friendly approach to urban driving, making it a top choice for city dwellers and environmentally conscious consumers. Efficient electric performance. The 2024 Fiat 500e is powered by a 42 kWh lithium-ion battery, which provides a range of up to 199 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commuting and urban adventures. The electric motor produces 118 horsepower, delivering brisk acceleration and a smooth driving experience. The 500e's compact size and agile handling make it perfect for navigating busy city streets and tight parking spaces. Charging the 500e is convenient, with multiple options to suit different needs. The car supports level 2 charging, which can recharge the battery in about 4 hours using a 240-volt home charger. Additionally, the 500e is compatible with DC fast charging, allowing drivers to gain an 80% charge in just 35 minutes, making it practical for longer trips and quick top-ups. Chic design and modern interior. The 2024 Fiat 500e retains the classic charm of its predecessors while incorporating modern design elements. Its rounded shape, retro-inspired headlights, and bold front grille give it a distinctive and playful appearance. The car's compact dimensions and stylish aesthetic make it a head-turner on the road, appealing to those who appreciate both form and function. Inside, the 500e offers a well-designed and comfortable cabin, featuring high-quality materials and advanced technology. The minimalist interior includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, providing seamless connectivity for navigation, entertainment, and communication. The digital instrument cluster keeps the driver informed with essential vehicle data and battery status. Advanced safety features. Safety is a priority in the 2024 Fiat 500e, which comes equipped with a range of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features enhance driver confidence and contribute to a safer driving experience, particularly in urban environments. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Fiat 500e has been well received for its combination of style, practicality, and eco-friendly performance. Its competitive pricing and potential eligibility for government incentives make it an attractive option for those looking to transition to electric vehicles. Available at Fiat dealerships nationwide, the 500e continues to draw attention from drivers seeking a compact, stylish, and sustainable car. Conclusion. The 2024 Fiat 500e stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a unique blend of chic design, efficient electric performance, and advanced technology. With its impressive range, modern interior, and comprehensive safety features, the 500e delivers an enjoyable and sustainable driving experience that meets the needs of today's urban and eco-conscious drivers.